Are you ready to revolutionize your processes? With our product, you always have access to the latest supplier and quotation prices. The data import is quick and straightforward. Enjoy a convenient purchasing, info record maintenance, and new record creation process. Order confirmations with deposits become a breeze. You can now maintain pricing conditions in SD with a time saving of up to 90%. Development costs are a thing of the past. Solve everything with just one perfect software product. Benefit from highly customizable features. Create scenarios for other countries or departments. Configure additional versatile functions exactly to your needs. Tailor your product individually. Do you have to revise hundreds of thousands of material master records? Sounds like a challenge? With our product, you can prepare everything in just 15 minutes. Revise by column, reclassify, and upload everything back into the system. We have prepared a live demonstration with one of our reference customers for you. Schedule an appointment and discover the advantages live. What are the savings of our reference customer? They save about 3 employees per year on order confirmations. For electronic invoicing, it's even 5 to 6 employees. In price maintenance, it's 3 to 4 employees annually. These are just a few examples of the potential successes you can achieve. Your employees will benefit from a significant reduction in workload. Task processing becomes easier and faster. Use the freed up employee capacity for new, strategically important tasks.